In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is yellow, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's black. If you want to, you can also go into devices settings. Scroll down to click on location section over here. And tap on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!